Checking out this knife from Civivi. Comes in a box with a nylon pouch. We got their catalog, warranty information, a logo sticker, a sticker of one of their Vision FG knives, microfiber cloth, and then this is the Buster FG. Wow, this is a big one. It's got gold and black. This one uses the super lock, which is a lever on the back. Really nice blade on this one, Nitro V. Great blade shape, amazing grind. This is an impressive knife. It is not little. It's got thumb studs to open. It's got some skeletonization here. Got a clip that can go to either side. It's tip up carry. Super locks are real easy to close with one hand. Your hand is naturally out of the way, so real easy to open, real easy to close. This two-tone blade is really neat. We've got the anodization on the sides, but there's the grind, that straight blade. This one's going to be easy to sharpen. Very nice. This one is the Buster FG from Civivi. Hope this helps.